What's up guys, it's Anders. In this video, I'm just going to tell you about 3 really great places that you can get free sounds from. And in this case, specifically, 3 really great drum kits. So let's start with number 1. Number 1 comes from a friend of mine, AD. He's one of the owners of Modern Producers. If you actually head over to the Modern Producers website, predominantly it's a place for buying sample libraries, but people seem to overlook the part that says free kit. And just here, if you sign up to effectively the Messenger mailing list for Modern Producers, you get the Anno Domini version 3 drum kit. It's a huge pack of loads of the sounds used in multiple beats, pretty much anything produced by AD and many others. Like the sounds can be heard on tracks featuring the likes of Vinnie Paz, Snoop Dogg, Cannabis, loads and loads of others. So grab that pack. If you guys watch my beat making videos, I use pack 1, 2 and 3 all the time. With 1 and 2 I've had for many years at this point. The next one we're going to look at is a website called Free Sound Packs, and we're specifically going to be looking at this pack here that's up on the screen. It's got some really nice ambient, detailed little percussion sounds in it that you can really make use of. There's a whole bunch of others on the website, but this particular one is well worth the download. And last but not least, a hidden gem that loads know about but no one seems to share is the Converse sample library. So if you have a look at this, you do have to sign up. I think it's owned by Splice now. You can basically scroll through and there's pack after pack of free sounds. Now the one right at the top here that we're looking at, that is an excellent drum recording session for some live drums, percussion. There's a little bit of noise, it's kind of analogy, it gives a real vibe. The hats and some of the percussion you can hear in the background right now I've taken from that pack just as a quick demo. So guys, that's it. A really short, quick video just giving you some info, some things that I know about. So there's 3 really great packs you can get there and 3 great sound sources for you to check out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, bash a like and I will see you guys on the next video.